angels, it's Aidette. Today I'm doing a look using the Kylie Cosmetics 21st birthday edition collection, and it is amazing. I liked everything in there. I am doing a giveaway, and if you guys want to enter, all you have to do is literally subscribe to my main channel, which is this one, the one that you're watching right now, turn on post notifications, and also subscribe to my vlog channel, which is always in the link down below, and as well as my social medias. Everything is down below in the description bar for you guys to do. Super convenient. All you have to do is literally just follow me everywhere, and that is all, and you are entered to win these two beautiful packages filled with Kylie Jenner's 21st birthday edition collection. It's amazing. And the way that you actually enter is you comment down below that you have followed me on all my social medias and what is most exciting for you for the fall time. It was very limited edition, and I know a lot of you wanted to get the entire bundle before it sold out, so here I am, being the angel that I am to my angels, and giving you guys away this beautiful package. So there's only going to be one winner. There's going to be so many more of these if you guys would like for me to do. This giveaway will be ending in 2 weeks from the day that this video is uploaded, so I will be putting the official end date down below, and I'm going to be releasing the winner on my Instagram story, so be sure that you are actually following me on all my socials, because that is where you guys are going to be finding it. Wow, what a mouthful. So without further ado, guys, I will be moving on and showing you guys how to do this makeup tutorial right here, and let's go. All right, my angels, so today we are getting right into this video. There is a ton of products from Kylie Jenner's 21st birthday edition makeup collection, and I am so ready for it. I know I'm a tiny bit late. I'm actually really excited because this has been waiting in my beauty room for the longest time. She did not disappoint with the packaging. This packaging is so beautiful. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the products first so you guys can get a little taste of what it looks like. First products I see here are her 4 lippies. Actually, whoa, there's a lot of lippies in here. Oh my gosh. It came with 6 different actual lipsticks, and then it came with 3 lip kits, and then it came with another lip trio. I feel like that's a lot of lipsticks to be putting into a collection, but I'm not complaining. I love lipsticks. So her 3 liquid lips look like this. They're just in a pink glittery packaging, and the first one is called Bday, 21, and Tipsy. Really cute names and really pretty packaging. I like that already. Then her lip trio just has a whole bunch of red cups all over. I think that that's really cute. That was really clever. Matte liquid lipstick, glitter gloss, and matte liquid lipstick. So this is her Kylie, the birthday lip trio. This is really cute. I love that she did a whole bunch of red cups for her 21st birthday. And then I have never tried Kylie's lipsticks before, but she did come out with a whole bunch of lipsticks for her line. Oh my gosh, this is so many. So they come in Glam, August, Rager, Flirtini, Rumor, and Birthday Behavior. I love the name Birthday Behavior. I think that's the cutest thing ever. And let's just take a moment for all these cute little pictures of her individual on each lipstick. So cute. Plus the names are all super cute on everything that I've read so far, so she's already winning with the packaging and the names. Also, I already do have my base on, my brows, my foundation, and my bronzer all ready and ready to go. The reason is because I only wanted to use Kylie's products here. I do have some of her blushes if she doesn't have some here in her collection. Then here we have her Get Lit pressed highlighter. I'm so excited for her highlighter. I think I've heard good things about her highlighter if I'm not mistaken. I used to like her old highlighters, but I'm really excited to see these because I do have her like little loose powders that she had for her previous birthday. Those were amazing. I loved those highlighters. But let me just show you guys, when I open the flap here, it shows her eyes with the cupcake. It is so cute. And then just to give you guys a little reference of what the packaging looks like for this year, it looks like this in the inside. It's just silver, metallic, and then matte black for the packaging. These are her liquid shadows. These are in the shade Eat Cake, Fine Wine, and Born to Sparkle. I love these because they are a quick eyeshadow. But this packaging too, guys, you just turn it and it's her whole entire face. That is so cute. I was wrong. There's another lip collection that she has in here. So this one just says Hello 21. The packaging, again, super cute and sparkly. They're all liquid lipsticks, and they are really pretty from what I can tell. And lastly, the moment that everyone was waiting for, her palette. This is the packaging. So cute. Everything that she has in here is so cute. I don't know how many times I can say that. So this says Sippin' Pretty. So cute. I love this. I need to stop saying cute. I need to find a new adjective. This is what it looks like inside. It has all these gorgeous colors. When I saw these colors, I was like, you really did it to me, because previously I haven't really been buying any of her collections just because I know I do not need any more makeup. I have so much. But when I saw this palette, I was all, Okay, girl, maybe this time. I really want to use this neon pink for today's look. It is just so pretty, so I might put that on the lower lash line or something. But as you can see, you have all of your neutrals here. You have that pink pop, and then you also have the darker shades right here. So mainly my eyes gravitate towards the pink, so that's pretty much like why I bought it. And I also did see that the shimmery metallic shades were so pigmented, so let's put that to the test. I'm gonna do this one right here, and everyone go buy it. It's very reflective, as you can see. And I almost forgot to mention this, when you do order the entire bundle, you do get this cute little bag here. Now we're gonna get right into the eyes, and I'm gonna be using, of course, the Sipping Pretty palette. My favorite transition that I'm seeing just by looking is this shade right here. It's like a peachy brownie shade. I love those for my transitions. They just make everything so much more seamless. Okay, she's there, she's popping. These are actually very pigmented. It's a little bit more pinky than I thought it was going to be, a little bit more on the peachy side. So I am going to be layering another more brownie shade on top of that transition. So whenever doing my eyeshadow, I always like to place the same transition on my lower lash line just so I do have it on an even level. I'm going to go ahead and dip right into this shade right here, which is a little bit more taupey, a little bit more brown. I'm just going to be lightly placing that over top where we placed the transition. As you can see, this is just making it a little bit more brownie, a lot less pink tone. So now I'm going to be going into the crease, and I'll be taking this brick brownie shade right here. I'm going to be going for more of like a deeper toned look, and then for the pop on the eye, I'm going to be using that hot pink. So with that same shade, I'm going to be taking a smaller, thinner brush and just lining it slightly under my eyes and blending it out. And I'm going to be blending out the edges, so I'm going to be taking a clean, fluffy brush. I'm just making sure that there's no harsh edges up to where the brow bone is. I'm going to be taking this neon pink with a flat shader brush, and I'm going to make sure that I'm packing on this color. Also, do not forget to dust off the excess. I need to make sure that there's no fallout, so I need to take off as much as possible. But when you're applying this eyeshadow, make sure you are pressing it onto the lid, or else if you swipe, it's not going to be as pigmented as it could be. Okay, yeah, there we go. I just needed to keep pressing it on. That is actually so freaking cool, guys. So I'm going to put on one more layer. The thing about this eyeshadow is that you do kind of have to layer it and pack it on very patiently. So as you can see, this is what the color looks like, and I didn't even put any concealer under it, so that just goes to show how pigmented you can get it to be. I'm also going to be going around it to kind of define the pink a little bit more, make it look like a fake cut crease, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be taking this darker shade right here. This is like a darker maroon, and I'm going to be putting it on a little rounded, smaller brush. And now to finish off the lower lash line of the eyes, I'm going to be taking like this sparkly maroony purple shade right here. The eyes are completely done with the eyeshadow. Everything is all nice and ready to go. Before I'm completely done, I'm going to go ahead and take one of her shimmery eyeshadows. So we have a Born to Sparkle, Fine Wine, and Eat Cake to choose from. So I'm going to open them up and see what they look like. So these are the three shades. One is purpley, one is like a foresty green color. That one's so pretty, like almost like lizard green. I really want to try that next. But the one that goes most with my look today and the prettiest one is this one here, which is a pinky goldy shade. And this one is in the shade Eat Cake. So just so you guys can see what they look like, I'm going to be swatching all of them. So the first one is Fine Wine. It's a pretty purple shade. So this is the swatch right here. And then it also does have like some gold reflex in it. And this green one I'm so excited for because I'm normally never a green girl, but this color is so pretty. I feel like they all have like a gold undertone, which I really do appreciate. That's what it looks like there. They're all very reflective, and the applicator is really nice. And lastly, the one that I'll be using today is Eat Cake. This is the shade right here. Oh yeah, that is so freaking pretty. It's kind of like it looks like a sorbet type color, so that's going to be really nice on the eyes. So I'll just be taking this here, and I'm going to be taking the applicator and using a brush instead so I get a more precise application. Whoa, that is pigmented. I think I took a little too much, but I'm going to be taking that right there, just like that. How am I gonna do this? Oh my god, help! Right under, right in the center, just to give us that little glow, that little pop. I used to do this before and I used to freaking love it, so I'm gonna try it again. I would recommend that you guys work a little quickly with this, just because you don't want to risk it, you know, drying up. Guys, this stuff is so pretty. Like, I did not expect it to be this pigmented, but it is bomb. This eyeshadow, y'all, has me on the floor dying. I feel like before I was like, okay, this is a different look, but once I applied that shimmer shadow, Kylie, let me tell you, you did that, girl. Make up you guys a little better look. It is so reflective. It looks like I have highlight on my eyes, and I also do have that little pop right under as well, so I have two little spotlights, and I think that it looks so pretty. And next up, we are going to be popping these lashes on by Flutter Lashes. These are in the style Crazed, and then we will be moving on to blush and highlight. These lashes were literally meant for this look. I just love how thick and dramatic they are, but they're also very like perfectly length. It kind of gives me like a punk rock type of vibe. I really like it. Super, super pretty. So I'm going to be taking a Kylie Cosmetics blush that I have never used, and I bought this like over a year ago. Like, whoa, this is barely legal. Her blushes are absolutely gorgeous. I got this one in X-rated. Putting it right onto the apples of my cheeks. So I think that they're pretty, but they are very light. So if you are a big time blush girl, you're gonna probably have to like layer this on. But I like a subtle blush, so this is very cute to me. We are going to be using the Champagne Showers highlighter. I believe this is the only highlighter that she had for her collection. What even is this? This is literally like comparable to the size of my head. I feel like it's a normal highlighter. I feel like it's nothing like crazy reflective. So let's just do a little tester on the face. I'm gonna be taking a small little blending brush. Okay, so after doing like probably 3 layers of highlight, you can see it like as reflective as I would want it, but even with just one little swipe, you can get a very nice and soft, subtle highlight. But I personally like mine to be very reflective and blingy and out there, so I have to do about 3 layers. And now we're gonna finish off the look by doing the lips, and I already have my lip combo, but before I do that, I'm gonna be doing a huge arm swatch with all of the products that we got for lips, which is a lot. So get some popcorn. We're gonna be here for a while. These are the 3 separate lip kits that we did get. They also come with the lip liners, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and start by swatching these. So this one is Tipsy. This is like a more on the purpley side fuchsia. So this is what it looks like here. Then this one has to be my favorite out of the lip kits that she gave us. This one is 21, but that one's really pretty. It's like a cake type of color. It's really cute. And this last one here, I really love this one too. It's kind of tied with the last one that I showed you guys, but this one is called Bday. I love any orangey lipsticks. I think that they are so unique and pretty. This one's more of like a melon color, but can we just take a second to admire how she had a hot pink drip for the packaging this time. And now we're going to be doing the singles that she gave us in the trio. This one is in the shade The After Party. This one is a nude shade, reddish orange. I love my reddish oranges. This is what it looks like here. Then this one is the gloss. This one's a very different gloss. This one is called Shots. This is the gloss. Oh yeah, that's very, very different. Honestly, I wouldn't wear this color. This is what it looks like when it's swatched. It's an interesting color. This one is in the shade Victoria. This is like a, I feel like Kylie really likes these type of colors. They're like a purpley red shade. That's the color right there. And now moving on to her minis. Look at how adorable and tiny they are. This came with 6. This was in that little container that said Hello 21, and it looked like a whole bunch of stars and galaxies. This is the first one. This one is in Boss. I do have the full size of this. Kylie seems to wear this one quite a bit too. It's like more of a, not exactly purpley, but it's more like on the berry side. I feel like I'm gonna end up wearing this one for the look and then a lipstick on top, but this one is in the shade Boy Bye. It's more of a taupey purple, not really purple. Actually, yeah, it's kind of like a low-key purple. These applicators are so tiny. That's the color Victoria right there. Oh my gosh, I love these shades. This one is in the shade Rad. This one is To Die For. Oh yeah, that is such a vibrant red orange. And then this super vibrant Say No More Velvet. Ugh. I normally never wear colors this bright, but it's just too pretty. I might have to do a look on it. Then this one here is Queen. I actually might end up wearing this one. This is Queen right here. I'm doing them so weird, guys. I'm going in like a curve. So I'm going to be using Queen, and then I'm going to be using a another color on top. I think it's called August. We'll see though. All right, and then look how satisfying these are. These are her lipsticks. Okay, so the first one is this pink color. This one is the nude shade that I was planning on wearing. This one is in August. I got it right. This is August. This one isn't a matte. I believe they're all mattes. It's a very pretty nudie pink. This orange shade, oh my goodness, so pretty. It matches my background perfectly. But the weird thing is that the colors on the outside do not match the inside, but I think it's kind of cool. Pink, which is cute. This is what it looks like right there. This one is in the shade Glam. The purple one is in Rager. This is like an orangey-ish red. It reminds me of like a strawberry color. That one's really cute and pretty. And the blue one here is in the shade Flirtini. Ooh, cute. That's pretty. It's more on the pink side actually. This bright yellow one is in Rumor. This one is a brown shade. That one was pretty random in my opinion. Oh, it's like a more of like a maroon. I thought it was more brown, but it's like a brownie maroon, which is right there. And here is the white one. This one is in Birthday Behavior. This one's a juicy deep red. That's what it looks like right there. She really swatched it all across her hand for you guys. This is not gonna come off for about a week, but it's all good as long as you guys were able to see the whole gist of her collection. Finally gonna be finishing off this look, do not worry. So I'm gonna be taking this combo Queen and August. This combo is it, guys. Oh my goodness. All right, my angels, that is it for today's look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I also did do a 100% honest review. I really hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you guys want some more reviews, let me know. I know that this was kind of a lengthy video, but if you guys did enjoy, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys want to see next, because I really do want to listen to what you guys want to see next. It does not have to be makeup related. It could be a challenge, could be a day in my life, whatever you guys want to see. I want to do whatever you guys like. And by the way, before I go, do not forget to enter for that giveaway that I told you guys about in the beginning. If you guys want to win all the stuff that I reviewed today, make sure to enter down below and follow all my social medias. That's all you have to do, and you will get entered to win the whole birthday bundle. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.